Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Antonio Neves. I am the author of The One Day Method and of the international bestseller, Stop Living on Autopilot. Maybe you've seen me on the NBC Today Show or heard me on one of your favorite podcasts, but let me tell you something. I am so excited to join you for the HFTP Annual Convention, where we are going to talk about three extremely important topics. First and foremost, we're going to talk about how you can make sure that your next 30 days are better than your previous 30 days. How are we going to do that? By making sure you activate that day one energy. Second, we're going to dig into all the different things that you can do to ensure that you are playing to win in your work and in your life. Just for a second, imagine you owned a Ferrari. Maybe you do, but imagine owning a Ferrari and only driving it at 35 miles per hour. That's not what it's built for. So we're going to make sure that you get back to shifting gears and get off of cruise control. Last but not least, we're going to talk about community and how important it is to surround ourselves with allies, those people that encourage us, that inspire us, that challenge us, and push us to be the absolute best version of ourselves. So, hey, I can't wait to join you. We're going to have a fantastic, energetic time. We are going to laugh. We are going to think. You are going to be challenged, and you're going to come out better than you were before.